Hello, design enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of duplex blinds and exploring the myriad benefits they offer in home decor. If you're looking for a stylish and practical window treatment solution, you're in the right place. Join me as we uncover the advantages of duplex blinds and how they can elevate your living space. Let's jump right in. 1. Introduction to duplex blinds. First things first, let's talk about what duplex blinds are. Duplex blinds, also known as day-night blinds or zebra blinds, consist of alternating panels of sheer and opaque fabric. This unique design allows you to control light and privacy levels by adjusting the position of the panels. 2. Versatility and light control. One of the key benefits of duplex blinds is their versatility in light control. With duplex blinds, you have the flexibility to adjust the panels to filter light and create the desired ambience in your space. Whether you want to let in natural light during the day or block out harsh sunlight in the afternoon, duplex blinds give you full control over your lighting preferences. 3. Privacy and security. In addition to light control, duplex blinds also offer enhanced privacy and security for your home. The opaque panels provide privacy by blocking the view from the outside, while the sheer panels allow you to maintain visibility and connection to the outdoors. This balance of privacy and openness is ideal for living spaces, bedrooms, and home offices. Segment 4. Aesthetic appeal. Host, duplex blinds are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Their modern and sleek design adds a touch of sophistication to any room, enhancing the overall decor and ambience. With a wide range of colors and fabrics, you can customize duplex blinds to complement your existing decor style and color scheme. 5. Energy efficiency. Another benefit of duplex blinds is their energy efficiency. By controlling the amount of sunlight that enters your home, duplex blinds can help regulate indoor temperatures and reduce energy consumption. During hot summer months, you can keep the opaque panels closed to block out heat and glare, while in winter, you can open them to allow sunlight to naturally warm your home. 6. Easy maintenance. Last but not least, duplex blinds are easy to maintain and clean, making them a practical choice for busy homeowners. Dust the blinds regularly with a soft cloth or vacuum attachment to remove dirt and debris. And there you have it, the benefits of duplex blinds in home decor. From versatile light control and enhanced privacy to aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency, duplex blinds offer a range of advantages that make them an ideal window treatment solution for any home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more design tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!